As Samsung prepares to launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra, leaks have already started painting a picture of a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of both mobile photography and artificial intelligence. With Apple stepping up its game with the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Google's AI prowess leading the Pixel 9 series, Samsung seems ready to reclaim the crown with cutting-edge AI features, an upgraded 200MP camera, and possibly a new AI-driven One UI. But will the Galaxy S26 Ultra really live up to the hype? And more importantly, what makes it different from the S25 Ultra? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's unpack everything we know so far, from design leaks and specs to AI breakthroughs and camera wizardry. Leaked renders suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will retain the boxy, premium design language of its predecessor, but with a few notable tweaks. Even slimmer bezels for a more immersive display. A refined titanium frame like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but 15% lighter. Improved grip texture on the sides for one-hand usability. The S Pen is here to stay, with enhanced haptics and pressure sensitivity. Some insiders claim Samsung may introduce new color finishes including Midnight Titanium, Glacier Blue, and an AI-exclusive Aurora White. Slight curve to the display edges for better swiping. In-display fingerprint tech rumored to be second-gen Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max, enabling dual-finger scanning for better security. Gorilla Armor Glass 2 with 30% improved drop resistance. Verdict: familiar, but finely polished. Samsung is playing the long game with refinement over radical change. Samsung's displays are already class-leading, and the S26 Ultra continues that trend. According to leaks, 6.8-inch QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. LTPO 4.0 tech for adaptive refresh from 1 Hz to 144 Hz. Peak brightness rumored to hit 3200 nits, brighter than the S24 Ultra. Improved HDR tone mapping with AI color calibration. AI Comfort Mode 2.0 that adapts to your circadian rhythm and environment. This generation may also introduce real-time AI sharpness tuning, dynamically adjusting clarity for each app or visual based on content type, gaming versus reading. Verdict: the best smartphone display just got even better, with AI doing some of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Here's where it gets exciting. The S26 Ultra's camera setup is rumored to be a game-changer, combining pixel-binning hardware upgrades with Galaxy AI-enhanced processing. 200MP ISOCELL HP2SX sensor, next-gen version of HP2. 50MP telephoto, 5x optical, with AI super zoom. 10MP periscope, 10x optical, enhanced with neural upscaling. 12MP ultra-wide with 120 degrees FOV. AI dual fusion engine for real-time fusion of main and zoom lenses. Scene Optimizer Pro dynamically applies lens plus mode combinations for optimal shots. AI auto framing, auto crop and zoom for ideal composition, even for group shots. Galaxy Nightographer AI 2.0, enhanced night mode with motion blur correction. Video Portrait AI, real-time cinematic bokeh plus auto light correction in 4K per 60 frames per second. AI Zoom Enhancer, crops from 200MP sensor to simulate up